All right, I'm the Flat Rate Master, and today we're talking about Milwaukee's new socket sets. Now, obviously, as I do my best Vanna impersonation, Milwaukee is coming out with hand tools. We know this. Some of you like it, some of you don't. Some cool stuff, you know, for a beginning technician, definitely a good option. I haven't used them extensively, but I figured I'd show them to you and then I'll use them a good bit and see how they do. The biggest feature they tout is their 4-square socket end. Basically what this allows you to do is you've got a nice flat surface to grip if you're just like trying to run a faster end by hand, which I think is really cool. Also, you can put a wrench on these. You know, you got a tight spot, you get the socket on there, you need a leverage, but you got only so much room. You put a wrench on it, and you can wrench it over. Pretty ingenious design. Another advantage of it is it tends to roll less. So, you know, you put it down on a surface, it's not going to roll. Pretty cool design. Part number on it is 48-229004. Metric and SAE with a ratchet. Now for you OCD guys, it comes in this nice tray that lifts out of the carrying case. Pretty compact, fits in a drawer very nicely. 2 extensions, a universal, and a 90-tooth ratchet. Milwaukee laser etched on them along with the sides, along with the size on 2 of the flats. The ratchet is decent. It is 90 tooth, so it's fine tooth. The handle is for my big old pretty dang small, so it's not my favorite ratchet by far. So, you know, it's pretty tiny. So, I don't know if I'd run out and be all over the ratchets, but the sockets seem really good. They fit tightly on fasteners. They seem to be really nice sockets for the money. I'm not going to get into retail pricing. It's just you find it where you can find it for what kind of deal you can find. But seem really nice. Now, a couple of kind of pet peeves of mine on this set. You know, we talked about that handle. I don't like that so much. The Milwaukee is only embossed on one side. The socket markings are only on 2 sides. So for you OCD guys that want to have your label up, well, you only got one option. Shallows are the same way. Obviously less so. Now the extensions that come with them have a really positive detent. I mean, honestly, they're better than my Snap-on and Matco's that are just ball detent. They're stiffer. Now, long term, I don't know how well they're going to still hold up. But pet peeve of mine, this knurling, if it comes up, is really nice, really good grip. Not the prettiest, but very usable. This knurling on this one is very shallow, almost nothing there. So not as good as a different extension. Now the universal, if you guys use universals, it's typical of most universals. It doesn't hold real well. So you might have to do the electrical tape method where you wrap electrical tape around it or an O-ring to get it to hold a little bit better. So that's not the best. But overall, a very nice kit, especially for a beginning technician who's just getting in the business, affordable, good quality, and allows you instantly to stay organized. You know, you don't have to go out and buy a rack. You don't have to buy anything except this set or the other sets they offer. So, good tools. I mean, I'm impressed with them. They're not, you know, I'm not going to sit here and go, oh my God, they're so awesome. You should run out and buy these right now and replace your Snap-ons. No, but they're good quality for Taiwanese manufacturer. So, hope you liked this video. If you did, give me a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos like this, subscribe. Make sure to hit that bell notification so you get notified when I put out a new video. If you didn't like the video, maybe I talk about Milwaukee too much, give me a thumbs down. Comments are always appreciated. And as always, thanks for watching. I am the Flat Rate Master.